What's going on, YouTube? Today we're going to be making a cold ass sandwich. We got our bread. We got some honey ham. Got some cheese. We got some mayo. And then we got some mustard. A little plain ass sandwich, cold sandwich. We got some cold tikka punch. So, further ado, let's get making this sandwich. Press the bread. It's been a while since I ate a cold sandwich. So I said, you know what? I'm at work and I'm at the lunchroom and we have stuff to make a sandwich. So why not make a sandwich? Put some of that mustard. Do like the mustard on my sandwich. Not a really big fan of tomatoes. Put some mayonnaise. Got a little bit on my shirt. Put that mayonnaise on there. Oh yeah. Okay, we'll put some of that. I'm gonna use some of this honey ham. A nice slab of that honey ham. We'll put it on the bread here. Put some of this cheese. It looks like the sandwich, the cold sandwich. Bam. Bam. We got mustard, mayonnaise. Not a fan of the tomatoes. Lettuce sometimes, but I just don't have any lettuce. So got a nice little sandwich there with some Ruffles. Everything looks good. Let's take a bite of it. Not bad at all. Nice cold sandwich. When I have to make a sandwich, I always have to eat chips. If it's Ruffles, Doritos, I got to have chips with my sandwiches. Shasta Tequila Punch. Nice and cold. Tastes pretty good. This honey ham is pretty good. Not bad. Not bad at all. Home style select wave potato chips. Not bad at all either. Plain chip Ruffles are good. Bomb, bomb. Well, that was really delicious. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.